Using an American Express gift card is simple and convenient. Here's how to make the most of it. Activate the card. If the card is not already activated, follow the instructions provided with the card to activate it online or by phone. Check the balance. Before using the gift card, verify the available balance either online, by phone, or by visiting the American Express gift card website. Use at merchants. Present the gift card as payment at any merchant that accepts American Express cards. Swipe the card or provide the card number and security code if making an online purchase. Know the limitations. Some merchants may have restrictions on using gift cards for certain purchases, such as prepaid cards, recurring payments, or cash advances. Track transactions. Keep track of your purchases and remaining balance to ensure you do not exceed the available funds on the gift card. Split transactions. If the purchase amount exceeds the gift card balance, inform the cashier in advance and pay the remaining balance using another form of payment. Protect the card. Treat the gift card like cash and keep it in a safe place. Report any loss or theft of the card to American Express immediately.